Hi, my name's Dylan Parry and I'm the organiser of the North Wales GP Schools Session. A year ago today, I was telling you all about the session, the first of its kind up here in North Wales. And with all your help, it proved to be a huge success, with pupils from right across North Wales coming along to the session. I'm pleased to announce, based on that success, that I plan to organise another session later on this year. And if you know of any school pupils who've got an interest in studying medicine or following a career as a GP, please encourage them to contact the email address at the end of this video. Let's remind ourselves of what I had to say about the session last year. So who's going to be there on the day? Well, there'll be GPs from the local area such as myself. There'll be GPs with connections to universities who teach at medical schools. There'll be medical students who'll also give a perspective from being a student. There'll be people from Careers Wales and from the Sept network. So all in all, I think all these people should be able to give you a good idea of what it's like to apply to medical school, what it takes to train as a GP, and what it's like to be working as a GP in Wales. As a result of feedback from last year, this year's session will include small group work and a section on GP ethical dilemmas and the art of good communication. I'm pleased to say that we'll also once again have the valuable input of Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, who will be supporting the bilingual streams available on the day. I'm again really looking forward to meeting school pupils from right across North Wales. In the meantime, please visit our social media channels, especially our Twitter feed, where there's all sorts of information relevant to applying to medical school, school engagement and general practice. Thank you very much.